Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the slide for predictable motion. Set the 16:9 layout, group related objects, and name them so selection is fast. Once done, open the animations pane and apply a simple entrance to your primary element so you can see timing immediately. Make sure to preview after each change and keep effects minimal at first. This avoids cascading rework later and helps you build a clear baseline to layer more complex motion from. Now refine how elements move by focusing on timing and paths. You adjust duration and delay so actions feel natural. Shorter durations feel snappier, longer ones emphasize importance. Use motion paths for custom trajectories, editing points to avoid jagged motion. Once done, layer animations in the animation pane and use with previous or after previous to control flow. Make sure to use triggers when you want an element to animate. Finish by polishing transitions and syncing with any narration. You preview the full slide and use rehearsed timings so the motion matches voiceover pacing. When satisfied, export as MP4 or record a slideshow to ensure consistent playback across devices. If animations skip or stutter, check hardware acceleration settings and ungroup complex objects to isolate the issue. Make sure to test on the target machine. If problems persist, simplify overlapping animations or update Office to the latest patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.